Busy weekend, same. So let's reset and get ourselves sorted for the week ahead. Hi, my name's Khanh Ong. It is Sunday and I'm setting myself up with 3 recipes that are delicious and nourishing using the Philips dual basket air fryer with steam. Because a little bit of prep now means a lot less stress later and better eating. So, let's cook. First up, I've got an epic roast miso pork belly that's a little bit sweet and a little bit salty. I've made a marinade here using white miso, some Chinese spice and honey that I'm just gonna rub into that underside, the flesh side of the pork belly. A little sprinkle of salt and a brush of oil on the skin side helps that get really crispy. I love the Philips dual basket air fryer with steam because you can air fry and steam side by side so you're not stuck in the kitchen all day when you could be relaxing. So we're gonna cook the pork in this smaller basket and at the same time the eggplant in the bigger basket. Brush it with some oil and then they both can go in. Both will be set at 200 degrees C for 25 minutes, but we're gonna use the air fry function for the pork and the combined air fry and steam function for the eggplant, which makes the whole process so simple. The eggplant is done now. For the pork, we reduce temperature down to 180 and we finish cooking for another 10 minutes. So pretty. Listen to this. Are you kidding? I've got some beautiful wedges of cabbage here that I'm just going to brush with some sesame oil. Some sesame seeds on this and some salt. While that's cooking, I'm just gonna steam some frozen edamame for about 5 minutes. Wow. Pretty much my skincare routine done. Season with some sea salt flakes and they're perfect for snacking or to toss into meals later in the week. And that's Sunday prep done. Now let's turn this into 3 epic meals for the week. Nothing makes me feel like I'm kicking goals as much as starting the week off with a salad. This Japanese miso pork rice salad uses our Sunday prep along with some other veg that you probably already have in your fridge. Start by building this bowl with some fluffy white rice on the bottom. Then our cabbage goes on top and then your eggplant goes in with that gorgeous crispy pork belly that we made. In goes your avocado, the cucumber, some sliced French echallots go on. I love coriander, so heaps of coriander. Edamame. Just pop that right in. And that's done, fresh, punchy, and so much better than a soggy takeaway salad. It's day 2 and we are making crispy vegetarian rice paper rolls. Let's do it. And I'm gonna just soak some rice paper. Onto that, our eggplant goes closest to you. Some capsicum, spring onion, carrots, mint, and some coriander. Some vermicelli noodles. And now it's time to roll. All done. How cute's that? Now we repeat this 7 more times. I'm just gonna brush these with some oil and then pop them into the air fryer for 10 minutes at 180 or until they're golden and crispy. These are done. I'm just gonna serve these with some extra green onions on top and a dipping sauce made out of sweet chili and lime juice. Crispy rolls without having to deep fry, that's a win in my books. These miso pork and cabbage bao buns are a quick and tasty midweek meal. The bao buns are frozen, ready to be steamed, while I use the reheat function to bring that pork back to temperature. How beautiful. So we're just gonna layer some of that beautiful cabbage into our bao buns with a piece of pork, some slices of cucumber, chili, coriander, obviously, and a nice big dollop of a spicy sauce that I made using hoisin and sriracha. Yum. So good. They're sweet, salty, spicy, and super crunchy. And there you have it, 3 epic meals, 1 super easy Sunday cook-up, all thanks to the Philips dual basket air fryer with steam.